Hi guys, this is Sunil and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cover grep command. This is a very powerful command in Linux. So let's start about grep command. So let's see with the grep command. We will start here from our theoretical part. So what the grep does in Linux operating system? Grep is a command which filter searches a file for particular pattern of characters and display all lines that contain that pattern. The syntax of grep command is grep option pattern and then file name. There are certain options available in grep command. Let's see one by one. Option descriptions -c. -c used for this prints only a count of lines that match a pattern. Okay, if you use -h, it will display the matched line but do not display the file name. -I ignore case for matching. If you will, if in your file there is a name like let's say Sunil in the capital letter, and you have searching like Sunil in a small letter, so it will not any impact on your searching. Like say if you use case insensitive -I. -L display the list of file names only. -N display the matched line and their line number. -V this prints out all the lines that do not match the pattern. That means if you use -V Sunil, so it will not print Sunil. Apart from Sunil, it will print everything. -E specific expression with this option can use multiple times. Let's say if you use -E, if you want to search multiple strings like Sunil, Anil, Sandeep, like kind of things, so you can use -E option and you can use the grep command. -F takes pattern from file one per line. Capital E treats pattern as extended regular expression. -W match the whole word. Let's see there is any string like Sunil, Sunil 123, Sunil etc. So if you'll give -W, it will match only Sunil. It will not show you Sunil 123. -O print only the matched parts of the matching line. Let's see one line. So we was here in our grep commands -E, -O. We covered that. Let's say -A and N print search line and L lines after that result. -B and print search line and L lines before the result. -C and print search line and L lines after before the result. You do not have to remember all these things, don't worry about that. We will talk about what are those things are required to learn only. There are lots of things, lots of options, so you do not have to be mug up and remember anything. We will talk about only useful things but we use our day-to-day life. So if you want to see all these options, use man command and see the manual of the grep command. So let's see, there is a test file and that having this content, Unix is a great OS, blah 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 blah, and we are searching case instant, we are searching grep -I Unix in this file, so it will show all Unix whether it's a small case, lower case, whatever. Second, displaying the count of number of matches. Second, displaying the count of number of matches. It will show you how many times it matched grep-c unix text.txt. That means how many times Unix comes in test.txt file, right? Display the file name that matches the pattern. Display the file name that matches the pattern. It means grep-l Unix. Star means all the files existing in that directory. If you are not wanna use the wildcard character star, or if you know the file names, so you can do like this grep-l Unix and pass all those file name. If you don't know the file name, use the symbol wildcard marks star, right? Fourth one is checking the whole word in a file. Grep-w unix test.txt. It will show only Unix. Which line will match Unix? It will show that. Display only the match pattern. Grep-o unix test.txt. Grep line number while displaying the output using grep-n means it will show you the line number as well with your searching. Invert the pattern match means if you do not want to see Unix, apart from Unix everything you want to see, it will show you all the things. Matching the lines that start with a string. So here cap symbol used for the start of the line. So any line which start with the Unix in this file will show. Matching the lines that end with a string. That means grep os dollar. Dollar symbol means end of the line. Which line end with os, it will show you that line. Right? 10th one is a specific expression with -e option can use multiple times. Let's see here. If you want to search Unix, Linux, AIX in a single command, so you can use -e option, right? So let's go to the Linux command line interface and see all these things one by one. So we will see the case instance first. So we have file command text.txt and this having content Unix is great OS, Unix is open source, Unix is free OS, blah blah blah. So let's see, we are going to search grep-i Unix and then we will pass the file name. See, it will show you all the things. See here, Unix is a small case, here U is a capital letter, so it will show all the things, right? Display the count of number of matches. Let's see this command how it works. Okay, so only there is a one line which having the Unix. Okay, so you can see here there is a Unix only one line and the third line having capital U, so it is not showing that. Display the file name that matches the pattern. Let's see this command how it will work. So there is a directory dst, there is a file 1 grep src, there is a directory test.txt, right? So here is the Sunil. Fourth one is checking the whole word in a line. Let's see grep 5, so it's not copied properly. Let's paste here. So you can see grep-w unix text.txt. It will show you Unix is a great OS, Unix is a open source, Unix is a free OS. So first it is matching this first line, right? Now display only the match pattern. Let's see this command how it works. It will show only the match command. It will Unix and Unix. It will not see you the whole line. So the line number, let's see, it will show you the line number where the Unix is present. So line number 1 having the Unix. Okay, inverting file. Let's say I do not want Unix. Sorry, it didn't copy properly. So it will show all the things which do not have Unix. Unix lowercase. The Unix it is showing that is in uppercase. Okay, the eighth one, matching the lines that start with string. So let's see, this command will show you the line which start with Unix. So this is the first line which start with Unix. This next example is for the end with Unix, end with the OS. The line which is end with the OS, there is no line. Now there is a dot. Okay, so it will show you like this. Let's we remove the dot. Okay, let me enter one more. This is new OS. Now it should show. Let's see, this is new OS. Okay, the line is ending with OS. Now specifies expression with hyphen e option can use multiple times. Let's say this example. Let's say change the AIX with OS. No such file or directory. Yes, there is no file. No such file or directory. Unix is a great OS. Unix is an open source. Unix is a free OS. There is only one line, right? Free, right. Okay, now it's working fine. So guys, this is all about the grep command. So you can do all these operation in grep command. Okay, so this is very useful in shell scripting as well. When you are writing some shell script, so you can grab some string and yeah, some configuration files. If you are grabbing something, you can grab over there and make your own logic. So on the time it is very useful, and we will talk these commands in our shell script session as well. So let's stay tuned for those session. And if you like my videos, so like my channel, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a nice day.